Sleeping good, are we? Some evenings I come in, I walk around the house, shut the door, throw my bag down, walk over to her, pick her up, she's still wake up.